Beastars Season 3 Everything We Know, based on the critically acclaimed manga series created by Peru Itagaki. Beastars is a shonen anime series that tells the story of a world inhabited by urbanized anthropomorphic animals. The biggest source of conflict in that world is the social and cultural divides between carnivores and herbivores. It revolves around Lagosi, a young grey wolf who falls in love with a white dwarf rabbit named Haru. Gradually, Lagosi undergoes a severe case of identity crisis stemming from the dichotomy between his predatory instincts and his love for Haru. This transforms into a deep desire to ensure the safety of all herbivores. Since its premiere in October 2019, the anime series has received widespread positive reviews. Critics have praised the masterful blend of 2D and 3D animation and a multi-layered plot that addresses themes like multiculturalism, diversity, and self-identity. As the second season concluded recently, fans must be wondering when Beastars Season 3 will come out. Well, here is what we know. Beastars Season 3 release date. Beastars Season 2 premiered on January 7, 2021 and aired 12 episodes before concluding on March 25, 2021. Studio Orange, known for making well-received anime producers like Land of the Luscious, Nepu, Kariko Bushiro, developed the show with Shunsuke Hosoi, Hyuntai Kim, Kiyotaka Awaki, and Yoshinori Takeda serving as producers. Shinji Matsumi serves as the animation director and Nanami Higuchi pens the episode of the anime series. Both series and seasons of the show are available for streaming on Netflix Japan. Outside Japan, the viewers can only watch the inaugural season of the show on the streaming platform. Its international consumers have to wait until July 2021 to watch the sophomore season. As the season 3, the producers haven't made any official statement on the renewal or cancellation yet. However, considering how well the show has been received by both critics and fans, it's only a matter of time before it gets renewed for another season. Beastars is the one of the most prominent influencers productions of the Studio Orange. It is also one of the best anime shows available on Netflix. Moreover, both of these companies likely want Beastars to continue for at least 2 more seasons. So, Itagaki's original manga series concluded with the publications of the final issue on October 8, 2022. So while making the next season, the producers and animators will have to complete understanding of where each of the storylines is heading. Season 1 ended on December 26, 2019. The intermediate period between the conclusion of the first season and the start of the second was about a year. Taking the into account, we can assume that Beastars Season 3 will likely come out sometime in 2022. So, Beastars Season 3 plot, what can be it about? In the Season 2 finale, Lois leaves the Shishigumi when Ibuki plans to attack. Lois free shoots him, keeping the promise to be the oldest lion. He then wants Lois never to come back to the black market. Legosi wins the fight against Reese after eating one of the Lois' feet. Pina, whom Reese didn't kill but left bound and gagged, frees himself and calls the police. Both Legosi and Reese are arrested, but the former is released early because others vouch for him. He later tells Haru that he's dropping out of the school. Frustrated with all secrecies, Haru threatens she will find a proper boyfriend. So that's all about it for now. If you want to know more about it, you can keep subscribe to our channel and we will let you know more about it as soon as we get the news. Thank you. Bye-bye.